to other things and other currencies as well, like fiat. Let me just get this real quick to get out the way so these guys don't get pissed. King McDog 499 is Friday, so today is payday, and Gemini did add Doge on its platform. Thank you, King McDog. That's like the 11th, 12th, I don't know how many time, and you are the man. And by the way, it's all free this week to trade on Gemini.
Welcome back.
All free.
Welcome back to LittleRedBigSmile's channel. Thank you guys for stopping by. Hope everybody's too blessed to be stressed today. God bless you guys. Thanks for popping in.
Got another super chat from Tribune Beast 249 of currency. I bought 26 ETC at 141 on eToro. It's down 16%. Hope it recovers. Need some assurance from you all. And yeah, Doge is going to the moon. We have a lot of ETC fans here as well. If anyone wants to chime in, feel free.
Your mic up, brother.
Turn your mic up, man.
It's my phone, fuck it.
Oopsie.
You good?
Sorry.
Go ahead.
I was just thinking, like, if this was a good time to finally switch out of Robinhood.
Duh.
You know, I gotta wait like 2 days.
You're late, bro. Should have been switched out of there. Let me fix some adjustments here.
Why do you want to switch out of Robinhood?
I don't know, I just want to go on Q.
I would say probably wait till next week's time, buddy. You know, we got a big catalyst.
Yeah,
right
we had
now.
this conversation a lot about Robinhood. That combo you can drop down the movie time, but I'm still on some cryptos for now. Some we can do like there's so many platforms to trade on.
No, I know Q-Coin.
See some buys coming in on Binance US that aren't looking too bad.
Hey, Drew.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Cajun Trader here. You want me to find need something on ETC?
Yeah, somebody was asking, like, just, you know, what they think, if it still has any more, like, steam in it on its run, or if it's finished. You know, just a quick, no TA, quick sum up, just like if, you know, gravy.
Yeah, me, I'm not in it right now. I was looking at it and but yeah, to me, it's starting to look like it's gonna be bullish.
Yeah.
That's what I have to say about ETC.
Okay, so you guys heard that we do have someone that's feeling quite bullish on it.
DogeCoin's only about $7 billion shy of Binance Coin market cap.
So we're in fourth.
Yeah, we're still in fourth, but I mean, we've closed the gap in like 4 days. It's pretty crazy.
Yes, sir. Got another super chat, Samuel Gezigan, $5. Let's take this to the moon, and shout out to Phil Casa. Shout out to Phil Casa, and thank you, Samuel Gezigan, or Gezan, whatever.
We were only 1 billion away earlier when we were up at that peak, so if we could push past, if we could actually make it to 75.25 like Tame said, then I think we'd be number 3.
Oh, damn. Okay. That's nice.
Quick question. What does the bull say?
I don't know, but I'm starting to see some buys coming through.
Hey, Chad, what's your points on our positioning right now? What's going on?
Well, give me a second. I'll tell you in 2 seconds here.
I'm buying all the way down.
Does anyone know if Gemini has instant deposit?
Say that again?
Does it know if Gemini has instant deposit?
Yes.
They do.
Debit card.
They do?
Yes.
Yeah.
You can link your debit card or credit.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, guys. But the fees are quite high.
Yeah, ACH deposits usually are better, and sometimes they don't let you put that much. If you need a bigger one, you might need to wire, but, you know, it depends.
Man, I'm sitting on some stacks today from DOGE. Hopefully y'all have a good Friday.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 100,000 in the bank.
That's what I'm talking about, dog. We got another super chat.
Ready for this?
One sec. Bruno Garcia super chat 199. ETC 1 hour chart looks good to me. We'll check it out a little bit later, but hang out with us. And go ahead, chat.
So here's my prediction for the day, right? So we're going to have a little bit of pullback. We've got to have a lot of pullback for that big giant, run we just had.
after we went on that run, what we're going to do is we're going to set ourselves up to go past it. And once we go past it, that's where we kind of see these things go real parabolic really quickly. Are we going to hit that today? Is it going to be something that where we consolidate overnight? It's too short and too quick to tell. I am seeing some good signs as far as when Peter was in here earlier calling 7525. I think that I see good signs of us getting back there, but it may be a few hours. It may not be something that's going to just happen the next 25, 30 minutes. But I do see some good buildup, and I see some charts. When I'm watching for buy signals, I'm watching a buy signal come up on the 1 minute right now. I saw one come up earlier about 10, 15 minutes ago. It rose up. If you caught it, you were buying at 669, and you would have sold at 692. That's a 3-cent rip in 10 minutes. So if you're wanting to catch some 10-minute 3-cent rips, this is the time to do it. If you're bored, I definitely have fun with this. We'll do the best we can to call in. We jump in, but again, this isn't advice for anybody to do anything that we do. If you follow us exactly, you are going to lose money because we are typing our orders in before we're jumping on the screen and saying anything.
Yeah, it's very wise that you said that there is a delay between what you're hearing. Sometimes it's 10 seconds, sometimes it could be 10 minutes. So be careful. And Adam, if you're around, Chad's always feeling pretty bullish. And Adam, I know you got like a level head, and sometimes you're bullish and bearish. Do you have any kind of anything you want to add on to that, Adam?
No, I'm looking at like.
Then you have this consolidation pier right here, and then this run up looks exactly like what we did here, to me at least.
I'm gonna get the super chat real quick. I am Love 499. Yo, Marvin in the house. You guys are amazing. Great advice. Made $700 in my first week with 1,400. Are we hitting 75 to 80 cents today? Love right back. I am love right back to you. Thank you so much. We do not know the future, but we are hoping for the best. Just hang out and see what's up.
People on Robinhood hit 75 cents.
Yeah, what I always want to do is avoid the thing I want to do least of all is what I feel that this channel has sometimes done a very big disservice is giving false information of these hopeful bottoms that we're going to hit. Because every single time somebody's predicted, we're going to 47 cents, we're going to 19 cents, none of them have been right.
I admit,
and nobody's been able to.
I admit I missed my 47, but I'm still.
And so I just want to let people know that are listening out there when we're getting these random, predictions that we're going down to 16 cents again. Some of us don't think that, and when we're saying we don't think that, I get that there's gaps to fill, guys, but. You know what? I thought that too when it shot up from like 1 penny to 8 pennies, then down to 4 pennies. I was praying, oh, please go back to 1 penny. And it never. And guys on these YouTube channels were saying, oh, it's definitely going to retrace down to 1 penny, 2 pennies. Never happened. And the same thing when it shot from 4 pennies to 9 pennies. And oh, it's definitely going back down to 4 pennies, but it stayed at 7, and then boom, it shot up to freaking 12, 15, 25. I really want to have people be very careful. If you're looking to get back in, maybe one of these times when we call like, hey, this might be a good time to get back in, I don't think we're going to get down into the 50 cent range, 40 cent range anytime soon. Maybe after a big parabolic weekend, it goes to $1 possibly, but definitely not in the near future.
I agree on that 100%, Chad.
If anyone else is feeling bullish on the chat, feel free to rock it and where you're from, but not too much. Too many rockets, 4 or 5, and not too many caps. And we can see if you guys are bullish as well. Thank you so much.
I have a question. I bought in like.
Push the top.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yep.
There you go.
Okay, I bought in originally at 5 cents. And I've been averaging up, so my average now is around 23 cents. I have about another 20,000 I can put in. So should I keep averaging up, or should I take that money and put it on a different platform and actually buy the coins itself? Because right now I'm using Robinhood and Webull.
Well, can I ask you a question? If your fear is that if you buy coins on the same platform, that it just makes your average go up, and now you don't look like you're making as much on the coin as you would. The key to the averaging is it is important. However, there is a thing where you could say, how many coins do you have? If you're averaging up and you get more coins each time, then it's probably not that big a deal, because at the end of the day, your coins are more valuable. But if you're worried about that, because now I did that all the way up. I mean, I bought at 0.08, and then I bought it at 4 cents, and then I bought a little bit at 6 cents. And my average looked at like it was at 5 cents for a while, and I was so upset that I bought a few more at 15 cents, and then my average went to 10 cents. But the time I was getting more and more coins, and it looked like, to me, it was like psychologically it was messing me up. So I think it's important to some people, but at the same time, if you have more coins, it doesn't matter.
I think that her question was more about the platform. My recommendation is not to use Webull for cryptocurrency at all. Do you have another platform set up that is not Webull or Robinhood?
Agree, don't use Webull.
Gemini is a good one for Doge if you need to get in on a different platform.
Let's let her respond, though.
Okay, I can't get Binance because I'm in Louisiana. I do have a Kraken account, but I don't have any money on it, and I would like to go ahead and buy in, so that's why I asked what platform, about the Gemini.
Kraken's an amazing platform, and it's one of the safest platforms out there.
Yeah, I agree. Kraken, your capital, is it in your bank account or is it in your Robinhood?
If you can get on the KuCoin, that's a great platform too.
Okay, I have assets and bank account. I'm up huge on Robinhood and Webull.
If you've got it in your bank account, you should be able to get it into your Kraken pretty quick. If you've got to cash out of your Webull or your Robinhood, it's going to take you some time.
I have it in my account.
If you have a Cash App and you connect it to Webull, I had a withdrawal go through in like less than 4 hours.
Nice.
So that might work if you're trying to get it all done today.
Yeah, I can transfer the rest of the money from my checking account into another platform, like the Kraken account or the Gemini.
Yeah, I would stay off of Webull for crypto. For real.
Okay, thank you very much. I'm new here, by the way.
Yeah. Nice to meet you. And, shout out to you, Louisiana.
Welcome. Thank you.
Well, I'm already on Webull crypto.
Yeah, their buy-sell limits never really hits unless it's 3-4 cents above or below. If you do market, they charge a whole lot. I don't know why they charge a lot, because of the ask and bid, whatever my ass. Robinhood, when there's these spikes or, dips, it somehow famously goes down. So those are the reasons why I dislike it. But then just now, I guess Uphold did the same thing. So again, that's a big red line for me. I hate it when they do that.
Yeah, Webull created a whole new structure of dislike for me today, but that's not for this channel. But Louisiana, Chica, what's her name? What's Louisiana girl's name?
Tracy.
What is that your name on this channel?
Yes.
Nice to meet you, Tracy. Stage and trader.
Welcome.
Goose, you can DM me too, because I have some on Webull too. I have it on 4 different platforms.
I'm so glad I didn't never invest in Webull or Robinhood. Let me tell you how much Webull pissed me off today. I'm not going to tell you right now. Girl, spill the tea. R-U-T-H.
I'd like to add something to the team.
Add it.
So before this Elon tweet, we were kind of recovering from the last downtrend, and we were kind of going into an uptrend. This tweet kind of posted up quite a bit, and we pulled back immediately. But if you see all of Elon's tweets, whenever he tweets, like it goes up, but it really doesn't pull back all the way.
Somebody turn off your speaker.
Today.
Oh my god.
Please, whoever's doing that, turn it off.
Oh my god.
Be sure to wash your.
Go ahead, sir. You can keep going.
Yeah, so I was saying, like, whenever he tweets, like, it doesn't pull back all the way from where it started, and there is some retention power. I think some people go long term or something, and and the last tweet was like a pretty solid confirmation that he's game, especially for the SNL thing, right? So considering that we have dropped down quite a bit already, there could be a drop down. If I would say, like, it could drop down to the middle of like how much it pumped, and that would be around 3-4 cents. But I am quite a bit bullish. There could be a drop of another 3-4 cents, but not more than that. Like, that's just a personal opinion.
Thank you for that. We have another super chat real quick from Shane Wallace, $5. Okay, guys, I'd like to hear some predictions for when things are gonna go haywire tomorrow, and will trade stops may occur. I don't know what platform you're talking about. Things might go haywire tomorrow. You know, that's in times of high like volatility, and everyone's pumping and dumping and buying and swinging and doing all this stuff. You know, a lot of platforms do seem to, have glitches and not have the services that they promise. But they do all have disclaimers. So whatever we work with, we do sign up for. Just so you guys know that. And we did have a nice little green formation on Doge right here. I don't know if we can get some more pumps in here. Hopefully. We did just have a nice little buy here on Binance US and on BTC. BTC pair is looking okay. Yes, sir. All right, and we had so many rockets in the chat that I missed from so many places. Like, oh my God, I missed all of them. Sorry, guys, we were talking about important stuff.
We got an 8 million sell order at 0.7. So I got another one for just under 5. That is Doge quantity. Sorry, Drew, go ahead.
No worries. I think we're pumping, ladies and gentlemen.
Ooh.
Yeah, we got another buy at 0.7. We got a sell at 0.702. We got more buys than sells.
We got volume though.
Volume of pumping.
Yeah, it's pumping. We're approaching that 0.618.
We got
level, which is a pretty. We're up over that 50%, but we need to see that 0.618. That's kind of like our
Atlanta City.
Our pivot point almost right now. I want to see it up over 70, 0.72. Go for it, Drew.
You guys just cut me off whenever. If anyone wants to represent what's up, pump up the jam. Come on, be clearly going up. Yeah, I'm holding 100 DogeCoins. Hoping my son can buy a house with it. Not afraid to buy and hold on Weeble, just hard to get out. Okay, back to 70 pumper nickel. Yes, I love that pumper nickel. ETC is making a big move. Let's go. Remember, don't sell. We will leveling up Doge fam. Go to Doge. Let's go. Up. Glucoster. Where is that? Glucoster City, New Jersey. Represent Atlanta City, New Jersey. We got cheese in the house. We got METHOD, man. That's right. Yes. We got rockets. Someone needs to get to 73. We need what else? Who else? About to buy all these pumpers, and we got some dabs for Doge. Brooklyn, Myrtle Beach. Lambo is about to be in season. Cheese. Who's done with cheese? Philadelphia, ETCTA, maybe a little bit later, buddy. If anyone wants to cut me off, just feel free. We got love from NYC, Jersey in the house. San Diego, California in the building. We all trying to pump this shit up. Let's go, Philly, baby. We going to, excuse my language, Jackson, MS. We're going to Saudi, Modesto, California. These are going too fast. Richmond, Virginia, Germany. We're going to Connecticut. We're going to Phoenix, Indonesia. We're pumping to Pine Grove, Chicago. We're pumping to everywhere. Turkey, Vancouver, Arkansas, Nigeria. We're pumping to Los Angeles. We're Drew out. I got to come in too fast. You guys need to help me. I'm gonna take a break and roll this up real quick.
It's like a radio talk show or something. Like, what is? You're a hype man, dog. Like hype man of the year right here.
We need a just pump this shit. Let's go.
Did you just say roll this up overseas?
Yeah, he better pass it.
Shit.
I know.
Roll it up real quick, Drew.
Not too quick, shit. You might get some leakage.
Got Detroit.
Hey guys, good evening from West Tennessee, man.
From West Tennessee, we got Tennessee in the building. We got
Damn.
New York.
South Carolina. Washington, Tennessee.
East Tennessee, baby.
Broken Loud. South Pole.
This is reminding me of that one meme song. That one meme song that was from Australia where that cowboy dude was like floating in the sky screaming. You know what I'm talking about?
I know that song.
Yeah, that shit's funny. They were like just naming random places in the world. Like,
we need to grab a hammer and bang on the ceiling at 0.042, baby. Come on, everybody, get out your pockets and let's get that Doge. This is not financial advice or a financial request. I'm just saying, let's pump it up.
House.
That's all we need to crack. 0.042 on Binance US. I'm not even looking at global for some reason right now.
We're finding heavy resistance at that 0.69967.
Resistance. He said heavy resistance.
Yeah, I remember when I was super happy it went back to 7 cents.
Yo, I'll match you $5, Matthew. I swear, if you're throwing 5, I'm throwing 50 right now. I swear. Let's go.
And here we are at 70.
We made it to 70.
Average.
Come on, let's show them what pumping. Come on, YouTube. Let's show them what Pumponomics is all about. Let's go.
Pumponomics.
I posted that video in the general if anyone wants to go watch it. The Screaming Cowboy.
On the long, just alarm. 15 minutes on the long.
We got a YouTube. We got the whale named YouTube right here. This is the whale. These are the pumpers with the cow. Let's go for Rockaways.
Yeah, we got
India. We got other pumpers smoking some sour D, watching my money grow. Yes, sir. We got New Swabia. I never heard of New Swabia. That sounds cool though. Got the man over here. Got a whole crew burning down, having a Doge party. You know what's up? Pisket. Where is Pisket? Kermit, we need Kermit up in here too. Chris, tikanirema malaka tre los americanos pinipolifuda. Ade, malenskidimo. Tinafta, tikao. Yeah, we got that
Greek. I'm seeing body.
Yes, that was Greek. We got Kermit, we got Turkey, Somalia, Brooklyn, England, Bali here, Breda, Bronx, Ukraine, Compton, California, Philippines, whatever, Sudan. Yo, Sudan's dope. What's up? Feeling we got Cali much wow, you know that Cali straight and diamond sauces in the house. We got Turkey, we got Jamaica, you know what's up. We got Maryland, Brockton, hold on. Mars, that somebody cut me off before I die over here in
Chad, Merhaba Türkler. Bir tek bunlar mı konuşacak? Biraz da biz Türkçe konuşalım. Şuraya biraz roket koyun da görsünler.
Roketleri koyuyor. Hadi.
Değil mi?
I for sure heard rocket.
Y también aquí hablamos español, estamos bien preparados para ver si esta moneda llega a $1.
Hi, cabrón. I was talking still. No, I'm kidding. Go.
Yeah, I heard Rocket and Doge. I think YouTube's saving our ass right now. This is YouTube doing this. They're buying up all those stuff. Let's go. Financial advice
is gonna go up on this weekend.
I see some support right back at 69. That is where we have our support at 69. Our friendly friend again.
We've got an influx of new cryptos that are on Robinhood right now because download Robinhood is trending in Florida.
Oh my god, no!
So they're on to download Robinhood to buy crypto.
Oh, that's a shame.
Can someone grab the super chats real quick? Because I gotta step out for a sec.
Hiç Türk bayrağı görmüyorum.
Flush the toilet.
Take your time, bro.
Thank you. I'll be back, guys.
Roll that Doge.
Don't threaten me like that.
I roll that Doge.
Smoke weed every day.
Every day. I can get Xanax after listening to that.
Every day.
bonfire to the moon.
I'll never stop.
Listen, because of y'all, I put so many different coins. Seriously,
You do? You
like,
bought a bunch of coins because of us?
I did. Some of them are making money. You know, I was old Doge and Ethereum and XRP, but I got Cardano, VeChain, this ANKR because it sounded like the short for the capital of Turkey is Ankara. God, I got CeeLo. I got a bunch of other shit.
Yeah, that's
Whatever
good.
hit.
Put your eggs all in one basket.
Wait, what did you say?
Earlier was
About
shilling.
Turkey and Ankara?
There is a coin that's called ANKR, so I was like, huh, that sounds like the capital. I just bought it. I don't know, it was cheap.
That anchor sits like concrete. It's been in the same place for like a week.
Have you heard about this coin called CAIZ coin?
No. I don't know. Maybe
You should research it.
Maybe you should get date this dog. You can make a French brand.
Anybody heard of
CAI?
All I know is
CAIZ coin.
Yeah, I didn't see that. I just typed in CAIZ and I didn't see shit.
Is it $44?
dog money.
CAI, $44 a share.
That's big time.
Atletico Independiente.
Şeyi soruyor. Bu CIA $40 mı diye soruyor.
Adam or whoever's shot any targets or TPs that we initially taken. Yeah, I was actually just talking about
Doge is
that.
bull flagging over and over and over.
The next level I'm looking at right now on this very short term, we popped through the 50 EMA on the 2-minute chart right here. We came and hit the 50% fib level, pulled back and validated that 50 EMA kind of really quick with a quick test and a wick. And now we're coming back up. I would expect to see this 0.618 fib level reject the price. If it didn't, and we were able to break through that, then we're looking at the next level up around 718. Exactly. I see that too. But watch this 50% fib level right here. This is an important level that it needs to break above, and right now it still hasn't. So be cautious. Don't just FOMO in because we're doing TA.
Yeah, it's pumping a bit, but it's getting eaten up.
Do you guys see a bull flag?
I see a couple of them.
Yeah, it's looking like a lot of bulls in here.
For people who are still new and learning how to read these charts and enter trades, whatnot, something good to look at is when volatility is high like this and you're seeing these pullbacks that we're watching obviously on a short-term chart, so this seems like a long time, but this isn't a very long time in this small chunk of candles here. So you see this pullback, you notice that none of them were making any higher lows or higher highs. So when we see this kind of pullback down here and it pops back up, you wouldn't just necessarily falling knife and try and bottom tick it. You see it come up and then it makes one high because you have the low that it made down here. So you see one high and then you see it establishing a higher low, and that would be kind of your indication like, okay, look, I saw nothing but lower lows very short term, and now I'm seeing its first higher low after kind of bottoming out. That would be kind of an indication for you like, okay, let's see, it might pop up and make a higher high short term and then a higher low. So that's kind of one way to avoid catching that falling knife and just buying on the way down and seeing kind of where the bottom might be.
Dude, it looks like a Bitcoin Diamond. I hadn't checked on it in a while, but Bitcoin Diamond is on a rebound right now.
What exchange can you buy Bitcoin Diamond on?
You can buy it on KuCoin and Binance, I believe, but you can't.
You need to convert it to Bitcoin first before you can buy BCDs.
Yeah, you have to trade with Bitcoin.
Like it's just frustrating having so many exchanges that don't support the majority of the cryptocurrencies that are spiking up.
Dude, you're like 10 miles away from your phone.
Yeah, no, dude, you screaming from across the room.
I was saying it's just frustrating having so many exchanges and
Still can't hear you. I'm saying you should come closer to the microphone.
Can you hear me now?
Yep.
Still now. Yeah, you need to come closer to your microphone.
All you guys click on his name and.
Yeah,
he's just saying that it's frustrating that not all exchanges support every coin.
Yeah, I was saying
it's expected with so many coins.
I was saying it's just frustrating having so many exchanges, and certain exchanges don't support certain currencies, and like I'm in Texas, so I can't open up a Bitcoin not Bitcoin, a Binance US account, and I'm just changes and exchanges and.
Where are you at?
Texas.
Well, yeah, get a KuCoin account. You can pretty much get anything on KuCoin that you can get on Binance US.
Like right now, I'm just hopping through 3 exchanges. I have Kraken, Coinbase, Gemini, and it's just like okay, going through different exchanges and logging in and keeping track of each coin and making sure that you get the spikes. You take advantage of the spikes ups and things like that.
I don't know.
Are you a Kiwi?
Say that again, Kui?
No, are you from New Zealand?
No, I'm from the U.S.
Oh, okay.
Hey, does someone grab that super chat real quick? Because I got my time over here.
I'll get you. Yeah, we got $100 super chat here. $100. Oh, you did?
You can say it again because it is $100, Scott.
100 from Jerome, man. We appreciate you so much. We're going to read it twice. He says, man, I've been listening to you guys since 2 a.m. First time listener today. You guys are awesome. I feel like you guys are giving good pointers. Another thing I would like to say, your guys' advice is respected, but people need to understand that the choices they make are their own choices. You're right, correct. Very correct, Jerome. We appreciate
that. Very correct, Jerome. Appreciate that. Thanks.
It's dope, man. We got another one here from King McDog, $9.99. We appreciate that, King McDog. QTNA, looks like a ticker here. I was down 14K of my own money before I transferred to crypto. Since then, I've gained 18K in Doge. So basically, my money back plus 4K. What would I get taxed on? The 4K or the 14K I lost and gained? King McDog, we're of course none of us accountants, and if we were, we're not offering tax advice. But I think it's just profits and losses. They even each other out. So whatever you put in, if you would already paid taxes on it, then you would only take what you have minus what you put in. So sounds like you would owe taxes on 4K. Second day.
No, I think you summed it up. A quick Google search will help you out probably a little more than us, just because, like you said, we're not exactly tax professionals.
Also, if you take and you don't take it out of the exchange and you just put it in another coin, I don't think you really are paying taxes until you pull that money and put it back in your bank account.
I'm seeing the buy signal on ETC on everything below 30.
Actually,
that's incorrect.
It's incorrect, my friend.
The minute you sell, you make profit.
Give me 1 second here.
Hey, somebody's got to open mic, man. Come on.
If I heard Tame correctly earlier, that basically if you make 20 grand,
you got YouTube on in your background, man.
20 grand, and you lose 15, you're still paying the 20 grand. If you sell on the stock
with a 20 grand profit,
That's not
you're
true.
still paying taxes on 20 grand. I might be wrong. I'm just going by what I heard.
Absolutely wrong. You're 100% wrong.
You pay taxes on your profits over your losses. You can buy and sell 100,000 times. It doesn't matter. At the end of the day, when you subtract how much profit you got versus how much money you put in, you're going to pay the taxes on that profit.
Oh, okay. I thought there was a limit to the losses. Like it capped out.
Capital gains.
You guys want
Yeah.
in the chat?
I thought there was a limit to losses. I thought, just going by what I heard earlier. I'm not an expert. I'm
not a tax accountant. I have no idea.
Yeah, I think there's a maximum. I think there's a maximum of the losses. I'm going by what Tim said.
You're going, man.
I think there's a maximum of the losses of like a certain amount. I forgot what the amount was.
Really need to know, man.
Yeah, it's your tax on an individual basis. But does anybody like trade through like a DBA or LLC? Like,
yeah,
Hey, can you drop down into another chat? Like that one or chat.
Yeah, just real quick, guys. Hey, this is Treetop. I've been listening to you guys for 2 weeks. Jumped in here. I just never said anything. So whatever you lose, you can actually write off up to, it goes up every year, but $3,300 to $3,500 a year in capital gains losses. If you sell within a year, 37% short-term tax, depending on your tax bracket. That's upper bracket. And yeah, that's about it. As soon as you sell and you take profits on any of that coin or stock that you, your profit there. So as soon as you sell, your tax. But there are tax write-offs. You can write off up to like $3,500 a year.
So what about?
Don't mind me asking.
What?
Don't mind me asking. How do you know how much lost?
I don't know, man. Take that shit.
Yeah. So the easiest way for you to do it, real quick.
They got a whole other channel for this.
Yeah,
Drop down to a whole other channel.
Yeah, we need to have a
choose TurboTax
tax specialist, because I would say not even H&R Block or none of them would have experience.
Oh, no.
Cryptocurrencies or things like that.
I'm not asking for tax advice. I'm asking for how do you find out the figure, because when you are scalping
progress.
Hey, look, man, we need to talk about crypto. We need to talk about crypto.
4 times they've asked you nicely.
All right, sorry about that.
Jeez.
This is Cajun Trader too, by the way. I'm just letting y'all know. I mean, we really need to talk about crypto. This is a crypto channel. If y'all want to talk about taxes or whatever, they have some other channels. They have some other channels down in here that y'all can go to and talk about it. That way, YouTube doesn't hear y'all.
Yeah, for real. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, just a quick answer to give people is just to tell them to go to TurboTax. That's all they got to do, because you import your statements and they'll tell you all that at the end of the year.
Oh, and
Anybody want to grab some super chat?
That is good advice. Just go to TurboTax. Check out TurboTax. If you guys can't understand, call a professional, because we are not professionals.
Hello.
Great advice, my friend. Go to Google. If you can't read, get hooked on phonics.
Hello.
And I agree with that. But you guys started the conversation, so don't start giving information out.
Look, we can move on from that. We just can move on. Let's just go and move on. There's super chats to do. There's TA to do.
We got a super chat from Ryan Deno, $5. If you don't know, don't speculate. True that, Ryan Deno. Thank you for that $5, yo.
Yeah. Chad, Adam, either one of y'all have any updates on what you think's going on here?
Real quick before they start, just to get this out the way.
Yeah.
Justin, the designer, too. Let's tip our man Drew some Doge. Thanks for hosting. Don't worry, man. My Doge, but good looks. Justin, the designer, $2, but I appreciate that. But don't worry about that, guys. Just spread the love, and that's on Do Good every day. Only good every day.
Doing only good every day.
Signal on the 30, just so you guys know.
DogeCoin, we're sitting at 68.6. Where we've been, we're like support resistance line. I'm thinking we're gonna drop down a little bit to maybe 60, and then come back up and test that.
To me, it looks like on the 1 minute we're like stuck inside this 200 moving average. I mean, we're kind of just playing around.
From 1932.
Yeah, I need that 1 minute. I'd rather the 5 and 15, sometimes 3.
Doing that. I like the 1 minute a lot. I just feel like I can get more information out of it. But yeah, I mean, on the 5,
I check out the 1 minute. Yeah, I do. It just makes me anxious and anxiety. I get real anxiety. I make better decisions whenever I'm with 5 minutes. And I'm pretty sure I got
on the 5 minutes, I scope out here and I see, like, you know, that I got this support that's, you know, kind of followed us for a long time, that we're kind of on top of. It's ascending support. Yeah, I got this horizontal support as well at 67.5 that we kind of closed on top of with the 5 minutes. So that's looking pretty good. I'd say if we just stay above these two support levels, we might just consolidate for a while. But that's just how I feel. That's my own opinion. But
real quick, I'm just gonna get these out the way. Ryan Dano, $2. Google has answers, and so does DuckDuckGo. Thank you for that. And one last one, guys. I'll let you get back just to get them out of the way before it disappears. Miles above $5 Australian dollars. I think selling half at 69 cents. What is your short-term dip buy price? Or do we wait until after SNL? I don't know. Some of us see what's up and follow along. Thank you for that, buddy.
Tim came in here and really just hyped everyone up for that 7525 and then dipped on all of us.
Don't worry, it'll go up there at some point. It'll still be right.
Yeah, no.
Hey, you're right about that. Eventually we'll get there.
And he'll come back right after everyone's like, and I'm like, I told you.
Yeah, you gotta have faith in it, man. That kid knows what he's talking about.
What's up? You got a question?
I had a question. Is there anybody experienced with trading cryptocurrencies in other fiat currencies other than the US dollar?
That would be Forex trading, I believe.
Usually euro is the only one that kind of has liquidity I mean, pounds sometimes too. I've seen some good liquidity pounds and euros, but I don't know if anyone else could chime in on that.
Talking about like the pairs, like Bitcoin to
Like, I mean, the US, different, I would say, exchanges are able to interchange fiat currency. You know, if that's a good strategy in terms of, let's say, I convert my US dollars into euros. Obviously, I would get a little less and trade, let's say, currencies with that. And
that's
obviously
trading. If you're trading currency
dollars
or other currency, you're trading. That's Forex trading, I believe.
That is. I've got some euros myself.
There you go. Foreign exchange. That would be currency to currency trading. On crypto markets, I don't believe you can do that. It's like region locked. So like Binance US, they only support the dollar. You could trade dollar into like USDC or USDT or Bitcoin or anything like that, but there's no crypto exchanges that support, you know, currency like fiat to fiat trading. I don't believe.
I think Coinbase Pro does other fiat currencies.
That's pretty. Can you trade dollar to those other currencies?
Let's see.
Because I have a standard trading account with Interactive Brokers, and they do allow me to convert with, you know, with the major currencies, and you know, I could transfer those into euros or pounds, but not sure how the gains would look in terms of converting them and back to US dollars or things like that.
Yeah, I would go to Forex for stuff like that if you wanna do some currency changing. Just get the pairs. If you find pairs, try them out and see what happens. Like, you know, because there are some euro pairs on Binance, some pound pairs I've seen on Coinbase Pro. You know, but just try it out with a little bit of, you know, small amount. So
you guys know, USDT got listed on Coinbase Pro. So now there's no USD to other fiat currencies, but now you get to go in between the USD to USDT tether, and the tether can actually switch out with Euro and some other currencies now.
But no, I did see BTC and Euro pairs and stuff like that. I have to check right now, but I never looked for those.
Yeah, I don't think anyone else has.
Because eventually the euro is a lot stronger than the US dollar, and you could get more.
Yeah, but
more coins.
Yes, but that's true. But at the same time, there's less liquidity, so sometimes you might not get the same price action going on with the other ones. But yeah.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
Are we turning around, ladies and gentlemen? 16, 675.3.
I don't know. I think after that one push, though, this is what happens normally after we have a big run up. I think after that first dip, people just get discouraged and stop paying attention, stop looking at it, and so like, the volume just dies.
And viewers on YouTube, if you want to watch the stream that we are watching, just open up an extra screen, turn down the volume, keep this on, add him up. He is posting his link on the YouTube chat right now, and you can watch what we're doing. The link is also on the description. And you can also smash that like and subscribe button if you feel.
Smash it.
We got. Go ahead.
I was just gonna say, we need to stay above this channel. I think like we broke out of this channel that I have here to like make that push to that new all-time high, but we're bouncing on top of it. So I think we need to stay above. Otherwise, we're gonna fall back down into it, which it's still an ascending channel, but.
We got super chat. $10 from Doge made me millions. Thank you, man. We got another one. And we're so happy that Doge made you millions. That's awesome, dog. And thank you for that $10.
What's up?
Roy Dooley, $2. Doge news on Kraken being whale attacking Coinbase. Doge news on Kraken being whale attacking Coinbase. Anyone has some thoughts on that? I have no clue. Thank you, Roy, for that.
About Kraken, I'm so sorry, just joining.
News on Kraken being whale attacked by Coinbase, maybe because he forgot to buy to say the letter or the word buy, but he just Coinbase whales attacking. That rhyme. Just kind of flow. Coinbase attacking Kraken.
Okay, I just want to make sure. Sorry about that. I didn't mean to cut you off. Just go ahead, buddy. I apologize again.
It's all good. Coinbase whales attacking Kraken, yo.
What time is it, Drew?
What's that?
So what time is it where we live?
Right now, it is, I'm looking at my clock, it is about 2 in the 41 in the morning, crack it down in, no one's young.
This dude. Hey, I got a rap for you guys tonight, but that's after the DogeCoin. I'm still writing it.
All right. I got some beats.
Hey, I can spit some a little bit right here. Nah, I'll just wait till later.
Yeah, a little bit later.
Hey, how many YouTube people from Texas, man? Come on, man. How many of y'all from Texas? Let's go.
Space City. Where's Space City at?
Yes, man. So let's see who's from Texas, man. Come on, YouTube. Y'all through. Where y'all from? Right here.
H-Town in the house.
It's all about them Tennessee
Broncos.
H-Town in the house. Man, that's what's up. Hey, San Antonio over here, man.
H-Town.
Another San Antonio right here.
Oh, hey, what's up, dude? How you doing, man?
It's Indiana here.
El Paso, Texas.
Austin.
Cristi Canere Malaca Ade.
Hey, is it legal up there in Austin to buy like cannabis?
No, not yet. They're trying though. They're
We
really
got
close.
CBD.
Yeah, it's legal in Massachusetts, bro. For recreational, you just gotta find a dispensary.
Texas is gonna be like the last state in the entire world to legalize anything.
Not town. Someone say
You know what it is? It's the
Except
governor, man.
fully automatic
He's on his way
weapons.
out. We can carry
Yeah,
guns
but I
though
can't
without
do
New
permits.
Hampshire, bro.
We got Slim Thug, Harris County, Houston.
New Hampshire. You see the news about Doge on Robinhood? You can bet on Elon Musk talking DogeCoin on SNL.
Oh, we got North Korea up in here.
Ain't no North Korean.
Yes, we got North Korea with us, man. Let's get down with the Doge Army. They get down to what's up.
Hello?
They can use
Hello?
the internet over there.
What's that? Florida now, it's Miami is blowing up on that crypto. Hustle
Yeah,
Town.
Ung has been doing all that.
Hey, so I know this has been asked a few times, but how do I get rid of that dinging noise on mobile?
I think you gotta. There's a discussion somewhere on the Discord channel. Anyone know how to do that? It's like that. I think you gotta turn down both of the delay reaction or something like that. I don't know.
You gotta go back in the, just go in the menu, or you see right there where you push the talk, look in the right corner.
I like it when somebody has the dinging noise because I know when they're done talking.
Could be like 10, 15 people dinging.
La malaca, los americanos pinipoli puda.
Is there any way to shut off all the dings on mobile? Because I don't hear anybody's dings on the PC.
I only hear a couple of people. I didn't hear that person's ding.
It seems like it just doesn't stop. Ding, ding.
It's like a guy.
Did you guys hear my ding? I'm getting right now.
Never hear your ding, sir. Never hear it.
Anybody hear my ding?
Hey, keep your ding in your pants.
Voiceover in here. We were just talking right now. They sound like a character on one of the two shows I watch.
We got a few of them here. We got Kermit up in here. We got Relic. Relic, he gets down too. We got who else do we got? We got
Where's Kermit?
Where is he? We got Antimatter. He got some vocal cords too.
Kermit's not on.
No. That was like full-on voice actor.
Who is Dr. Phil? That's so hilarious, bro. He sounds just like Dr. Phil.
Yeah, dude.
I know what he means about the things. I've been having trouble with the dings all day long too.
Too many things.
Your mic is bad, so check into that.
Too many dings in Discord.
All the dings.
So nobody has the answer for the dingings to go away, huh?
Nope.
Yeah, so on your cell phone, there's not an option on your settings, your notification settings, to turn off when people are entering and leaving the server. You can do it on your computer. You can turn those dings off, but not on your cell phone.
Myself.
What?
It's like Hotel California. You could turn off the but you could never turn off the dome.
Do you guys hear my ding?
That's why never leave the Discord. They're all dead and admins.
God, that sounded like a ghost, yo.
Once you join this,
You can check into the Discord. You can never leave.
You can never leave.
Hello, everyone.
What's up, Al?
Yeah, hi everyone.
What's up, bro?
Oh,
Should I buy this dip or should I buy this dip?
What flavor?
Dip.
You should buy that dip.
I'm still waiting. Just my opinion.
You're still waiting? I was gonna, because if we fall through this resistance,
Not much longer. Not much longer. Not much longer.
we're coming back to 62. In my opinion, not
My opinion, 67.
Evan, that's where we're at right now.
Yeah, my opinion, 67 right now. That's Cajun Trader. That's coming from Cajun Trader. So if I'm wrong, y'all know.
I actually take that back. If we come through this resistance, I think first we have to test like 65, sorry, not 55, 65. We'll be back in that channel though, in the bottom of the channel is 62, right underneath us.
With the ding thing, I'm sorry not to interrupt. I apologize. With the ding thing, my ding. I was saying, if you go to the main list and you press the three dots right by Tam's name, you can go into settings and the push notification, you turn that off, and if y'all can't hear my name or my ding, then that's what stopped mine on.
Will there be any commentary there, at night?
Yes, this is 24/7, brother.
Yeah, I was there yesterday, but I was on all night because I worked during the nights, but there was nobody there, so it just kept dinging.
No, we was here because I was the one calling TAs last night and this morning.
Can't guarantee the quality of the commentary.
Sometimes I have to disconnect and reconnect to get voices.
Yeah, I have to do that too. I go into another room and join that voice, and then I come back. Like, it kicks you out for absolutely no reason.
I'm back here. I have a question.
Go ahead.
Does Robinhood limit your trades on crypto?
No, it does not.
No. Thank you. Stocks though, right?
Yeah, there's no
Yes.
pattern day trading rule.
Can we get a TA on Doge?
Yeah, I'm waiting for it to touch 671. And that's that. What do we do with that?
SNL talk. What are the odds that Elon is in the confessional confessing to a Shiba?
Miley Cyrus will be dressed up as the dog.
I'm gonna go with low odds on that one. Come up with a better.
I'm wanting an Ellen DeGeneres Musk.
I like that.
Who wants to take bets that there's an actual Shiba Inu on stage?
Yep.
I think we're too woke for that.
They're gonna dress Miley up as the dog.
I think we're too woke for that. Animal
Damn.
Miley.
101 odds on that one right there.
We got
She always wears crazy stuff. She's definitely gonna be a dog.
I feel like it is possible he might have a Shiba with him because he did talk about wanting to adopt one or something like that.
To add to the Miley Cyrus thing, though, she wearing dog ears. It's
I just hope she doesn't bust his balls. That's all I'm saying. Yeah, we got a super chat from sorry to cut you off, but you were not pressing push to talk. We'll get back to you. Super chat from T Whiplash 4.99. Honest opinion, guys. Who thinks it will hit $1 tonight or late tonight? Maybe a dump tomorrow. Sell the rumor, buy the news. I don't know, fellas. This is crazy. I agree. This is kind of loco, but you know, a lot of people are hoping for that $1 as soon as we can. But you know that word, patience, or that cliche phrase, patience is virtue.
Watch for this 671.
Please let it dip.
I think it's dipping, dog. It's under 6.7 right now. It's come
How
down.
many of us are going to
I'm
have
showing 671. I'm showing 67124.
There's no volume though. There's like,
Pittsburgh,
hold on, dude.
Pittsburgh 412 represent the gang. Older Dice, what's up, yo? Frick Park.
All of y'all on YouTube, man, y'all don't back out or nothing like that. This is just a little back. In my opinion, it's just a little pullback. Another dip for a rip.
Hey guys, I missed the super chat. My bad, real quick. Neil TH for 100 knock. Yo, okay, done with Binance Lite. Gave me horrible prices. Binance.com trading classic now. Trying to learn. When scalping, do you use spot market buys, sells, or limit? So much to learn. Trying my best. I have not used spot market buys, sells, or limits. I think it was around on that. Maybe somebody else.
So we're hitting 6.6 on Robinhood.
Whoops.
RSI looks good. Hey, does anybody here use spot market buys?
Yeah, the RSI looks good, but I mean the RSI has been fine for a while.
Anybody get that buy marker that just come up?
I use LittleRedBigSmile when I pulled the trigger on it. Buy on.
6.7 was my opinion. 6.7. 8 and 3.
Yeah, it could be. It could hold here. We'll see.
Got another super chat. Andrew Kim 499. Thank you so much for the support.
I'm gonna wait. I think it's gonna drop a little bit, and I'll buy in.
I'm getting my chips ready for the dip.
I had a successful scalp today, like 3 times, all the way up to 74 cents. It was really, really good. Just want to say thank you to the group.
Woo.
Got another super chat, Jerome, $5, and thank you as well, dog.
Yeah, for real. I didn't know anything before this chat.
And sold, and then I bought back in at like 7. Where did I buy back in? I bought back in at like 7, I believe, and then Tame came in and said it was going to 7525, and I literally just fucking FOMO'd that shit. So I'm stuck at the top for now. It's all right. We'll get back
I FOMO too, but I've been averaging down this entire time. Pretty good right now.
I FOMO'd about 5,000 chips.
Wait, who said they FOMO'd at 7.5?
I didn't FOMO at 7.5. I FOMO'd at like literally the top though, at like 7.2, because Tame came in here with his friend or whatever, and they were like screaming that we were going to 7.525. So I was like, oh, all right. So I just bought that shit.
Going 6.68, Robinhood.
Once it hit the all-time high, it went down so fast. It went down like 6%.
Oh, it does. Spikes that are caused from Elon tweets always have a dip.
5 minutes till that last hour candle, folks.
We definitely go 6.5. Maybe not. I don't know. I'm gonna shut my mouth.
To be fair, I would have FOMO'd regardless.
Didn't want to leave my money in Doge again because I've been stuck in this shit. Every time I finally take profits, I always just jump back in for no reason. Like, I need to stop this.
Yeah.
Did you go balls deep?
That's the same.
Yeah, balls deep.
Damn.
That's the same thing that happened to me the other day. I was pissed, bro. So don't feel bad, man.
Good. I've already done this before. Just gotta be patient. Next time I just say no. I gotta say no.
Got it. Super chat real quick. 2 guys.
Only 1 square away. Just 1 square.
Got 2 super chats real quick. 2 guys, 1 gun, $5. Anyone notice the M symbol on the Doge chain? It has 2 meanings. Number 1, it's known as the shortest poem ever. Number 2, it also means I'm creating conscious or consciousness. That is very interesting insight 2 guys, 1 gun. I'm gonna look into that. I guess you're talking about that picture you posted with someone was saying it was Kraken logo on the necklace of the Doge, on the Doge's chain. But thank you so much for that, and we're gonna talk about that later. Jerome, $5. Thank you for that.
We got a huge pump or little action here going on here with Doge.
You guys, anyone notice that the M symbol on the chain? Because I heard someone talking about that, saying it's like the Kraken logo, only on the version that Elon posted, not on the other version, the Saturday Night Live version.
I was thinking how it looked like a Kraken logo too.
Yeah, it's the Kraken's logo.
Someone earlier was telling me about Kraken. They put up that for me. I still haven't looked at it, but it's like Doge smoking an L or something. I don't know.
Well, Kraken has been tweeting they're officially like offering Doge. They even put out a tweet about, you know, Doge to $1 question mark. So I hope it's something more than just the fact that it's on their platform now.
Get it? What if all the platforms already know that they got to prepare a counterpart that's a stable coin, and it's like it's just got to get there, and then they're gonna split it up to stable, and already like got the infrastructure prepared. That's wishful thinking on my behalf.
Dude,
but who knows?
You took the words right out of my mouth, bro.
That made a lot of sense.
If they're all kind of in on it in a way, because it seems like these ads come out kind of at the same time when, like, you know, they're like, okay, now it's time to give them a little teaser, you know, and it's like these teasers aren't coming just from one direction, and they seem kind of related, you know.
Oh, it was 1000% the Kraken logo, because Kraken tweeted how it started, how it's going, and they were the first one to tweet the photo, and then Elon used it.
Hey guys,
Biscuit.
Hey Shanae, we are 1 minute away from the big close, and it seems like bulls have to step in and defend the 67 because it's very important and crucial for them to maintain control. Other than that, we're gonna revisit the 63 and maybe all the way down to 61. So if you wanna jump the gun and you think this is a good dip, I advise you to wait like 10 minutes within the new daily candle to start before taking any decision, because we might see some volatility, and just hold on, be patient on making your decision.
One more super chat. Jerry Rashid 199, off topic, bullish or bearish on Bitcoin SV tonight. We'll talk about that in a little bit later, but thank you so much. Hey, does someone want to grab the super chats? Because I got to do some things over here.
Sound like you need some water.
Yeah, I'm going to get some water too. Exactly. I got that cotton mouth now, man. I got that straight dry cotton mouth.
I hear you.
I'm like, oh,
You know,
pasty.
cuties work best. Get some. I always eat cuties when I'm, having issues like that.
I'll be back.
Yeah. And cuties like mandarins.
Little oranges.
Yeah. Halos. Everybody calls it something.
Halos are nice.
Yeah, they work awesome with me. Not that I would.
It's all about the mangoes. The Jamaicans say it helps you get higher.
I'm a good
That's
girl.
a fact.
I don't know what that is.
It's just something you heard, right? It was just something you heard.
But yeah,
It just makes you feel. It makes you feel.
Dude, cereal all the way. Yeah.
Yeah, goes half an hour before smoking. Thank me later.
Just like be high.
Yes.
Just eating cereal for like an hour, like the same bowl. Just like
guys, YouTube. So just makes you feel better.
What's that? What you said?
How about a radio check?
I said YouTube, so it just makes you feel better.
fair enough. I'm about to go take a shower to get my mind off this Doge, so I will be back.
By the time you come back, hopefully we'll be right back. To
Please close your mic. Double check on your mic before you go. I don't want to hear any showers.
Oh no, you're good. That's all the way in the other room, like
No, somebody was flushing the toilet earlier. I heard it.
Yeah,
we already heard two toilet flushes.
To be fair, they were talking about ETC.
Very nice.
Talking about ETC.
Ouch.
I got it, bro. Nobody else got it. I got it.
That's messed up.
I can't.
Yeah, somebody grab ETC. I got DogeCoin on my chart track. I'm watching the Doge.
I actually sold Doge.
Hey, there's a buy signal on BTC, so I don't know if it's going down the just yet. You know what? I'm surprised that Discord doesn't like have like a hand raise feature, like Windows, or that when somebody talks, they don't like move up on the list so you can, identify everybody that has an active mic. That'd be really helpful.
I just wish that they would set priorities settings to certain mics so that when certain people in Discord were talking, other people couldn't interrupt them.
That would be awesome, yeah, actually.
So you can actually do that through the Discord settings as an admin?
Yeah, but then the hoggers will be telling their whole life story.
That's why I'm saying certain people.
But admins, I feel like admins are a bit better with that. There's a lot of other people that just rush in, and you know what else I noticed too is there's a delay.
Real quick. Hey Batman, will you grab those super chats while I'm gone?
You mean like that?
No, that was hey man, super chats are prioritized. My ego doesn't get in the way, dude. I don't have anything more important than what's going on.
I was just saying I'm leaving right now real quick, and if somebody could grab the super chats.
No, somebody said you mean like that. That's why I was clarifying that. I'm not upset about you chiming in. You do you, man.
Yo, you know.
No, and so to your question, you can actually set.
Somebody said about the super chats though. He said Batman. I don't know if he was talking to me or somebody else though.
Batman voice. Where's he at?
That would be me.
Would you
Go
mind
ahead,
doing
Batman. Hit him up with the.
Yeah. Super chat. Random dude sent $5, holding 25k DogeCoins and 700 ADA. Where do you see it by 2022?
To the moon.
Your mom's basement.
Elon's basement. Fucking Biscuit.
In your mom's basement.
Biscuit's hilarious.
No, they'll pop up, man. They'll pop up as they come in.
Oh god.
So you were gonna finish about how to do that mic prioritizing thing?
Yeah, I can take that offline. Take it up with you and Tame. But I can show you guys how to prioritize speakers in chat so that people don't walk over you.
Yeah, especially anyone who does PA.
Yeah. Whatever he wants to do. One thing I do want to mention to that point before we move on with everything else, though, I also noticed that because what I do is I sometimes go back on the YouTube stream and rewind and watch to see how it's showing up on that end. There is a delay. Sometimes I'm paying attention on the app and it looks like it's a clear channel, nobody's speaking. I start and then somebody interrupts, and I don't think that that's always intentional. Now, to be clear, I think there are a lot of people that don't give a shit and definitely just, they rush in, they don't care, they're the important ones. But I think another part of it is also just a simple mistake. So I think we just gotta be a little more courteous, but it shouldn't be that bad of a problem. But yeah, that should be something they could look into.
Yeah, no worries.
But DogeCoin is moving up. We are testing 848. Passed it up.
We got a super chat from.
On uptrend.
Sorry about that. We got a super chat from Teresa Pearson for $5. What is going on with GME?
Hey guys, can I get on DogeCoin?
I already say we're in an uptrend.
Yeah, I just said we're in a triangle, a bullish flag, but it's towards the end of it, and it looks like it's going to break out. In my opinion, looks like it will start to break out and start our way to 70.
Anybody got any theories on GME for this super chat?
In a world.
I'm not on GME at all, to be honest.
It's a Doge,
That's between 180 and 150. The prices.
Just want to know who bought in at 6.7.
Question.
Would you say somebody was responding to that super chat about GME? If you want to repeat what you said.
I said it's stuck between the prices of 154 and 154, and highest is about
Kraken.
180. Yeah, I would have more than that, but on daily it is going a little. I doubt we will see anything below 150, and that's it. Just waiting. I'm ready to sell.
Kraken
Figure it out, man.
just tweeted Doge in an astronaut suit to the moon just now.
Who did what?
Here comes the one. We're about to get a lot. We're about to get some volume.
Yeah, we are. Kraken Exchange tweeted the Japanese dog astronauts into the moon.
Sheena Ibu.
Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu. I think if he retweets it, that's where we'll really see something. I don't know about just Kraken, but hopefully.
Binance tweets Doge all the time, and it doesn't have that much of effect.
It's a dope picture, though.
Yeah, we're still getting
Just
low
real quick.
levels, so.
Is that AZ backpack I hear?
Nope.
No.
Rookie. Whoever was asking about the muting on Discord, can I get your name so I can DM you and take that conversation offline?
You know what? I'll bring it up one day when Tame's in. See if he's interested in that.
Yeah, we've already got something like that. He's familiar with it. I don't know if we've already implemented it on some of the main speakers or not, but
We got a super chat from Ken the Crypto for $10.
Yeah, wait till Adam finishes it.
Oh, you're good. You're good. I was done.
Sorry, I don't hear Adam.
Oh, he muted me, huh? I see how it is.
You got muted, bro?
Batman muted me?
You want to mute? Guys, I'm gonna mute Adam now. Watch. Look, he's muted now.
Oh, man. Come on, Biscuit. Come on,
Adam, you can't talk now.
You know he's going crazy right now.
Adam, you can't talk. Adam, your charts are bad. Okay, I'm gonna unmute him. That's enough of it.
Adam,
He's gonna roast me. Adam's gonna roast me.
Yeah, you don't do that to Adam. He was fucking.
The image that Kraken posted, it has like a rocket or something behind it, and there's text SpaceX on it.
Adam, I'm so sorry. I think I'm on mobile. I think my pocket muted you.
You're good, but no worries.
Yeah, sure.
He was like, I was wondering why I kept buying off.
I'm like, I haven't heard of Adam in like 2 days.
Yeah, where's this guy been?
He has actually been gone pretty much for 2 days.
Yeah, I've been in and out.
Yeah, but still, like, two of the worst decisions you can make in this chat are interrupting Adam while he's talking or mute.
Totally agreed.
Or interrupting Jessica.
Oh no, man, dude. Not again.
Oh, that's a horrible mic.
Speaking of Jessica, where's she been?
Okay, we do have a couple super chats.
You was on here this morning?
No, that was me. That wasn't her.
Yeah, that was you this morning. You was freaking out.
I wasn't freaking out this morning. Was I freaking out this morning?
Nah, but hit them super chats.
Chart.
That was yesterday morning. When was the last time you slept?
I slept this morning until like 2 o'clock. So yeah, I was up for 2 days
you're
before
right.
that.
I was like, hey, I need to
See, yeah,
yeah, I was
Yeah,
like,
guys, we got super chats.
remember?
That was this morning. I was here too.
All right, guys, it doesn't matter. Like, we're all here.
In the crypto sent $10. 100x coin loves you. Please do TA on 100x coin. Smiley face. Anybody know what that is?
Nope. So any issues
no
with
idea.
the call to 677? You need TA on that 77?
Well, they better push it up, or the bulls will lose control.
Crypto actually did no super chat $5. I heard a new vaccine was coming out called 100 times point vaccine. Anybody else heard? Apparently, it gives you the ability to invest in 100. Okay, I guess it's a commercial. Thank you for the support. Thank you. We just said your commercial. Thank you for the support.
Thank you for the money, man.
Now please sign my petition.
All the coins are asleep. Ooh, Ethereum is running.
No TA on the drop now?
DogeCoin right here. I'm thinking we're gonna stay around this area for a little bit.
So we don't want to test the 6-6 again. Those are dangerous waters. We just need to lift from here a little bit. Is that enough? If we hit 6682, it might bounce. If we don't, it's gone down.
I think the only sell signal I have is on the 5-minute with a low of 669. So you're dead on.
It always seems to want to come back, hit that 200 before it then wants to continue. You know, on all the moves that we've seen previously, back here, pop, pulls to the 200, pops again, it consolidates, but waits till it gets to the 200. And gets to the 200, fails. Once it failed, then we saw the 200 as resistance, all the way until we got close to it, broke out of it on a nice breakout, pulled back right to it, took off. Now I think we'll consolidate or pull back to it again before we're going to take off.
If you go to 200, where the price go?
63.5 cents.
63.5 cents. Thank you.
But again, that's if it were to fall to it right now. If this happens in 7 hours, then this 200 is going to be higher, and it might be up around 60, 64.5, or yeah. You just got to account for the movement that's going to happen in that moving average.
How do you set up your thing, your moving average thing?
Go up to your indicators on TradingView if that's what you're on, or whatever platform you're on. Go to your indicators, just type in simple moving average or just moving average, and set the parameters to 200.
I'm sorry.
I press MA. I got 5, 10, 20, 30, 60, 120. Is that good?
I don't be your friend. I don't think I use any of those. I just use the 50 EMA and the 200 moving average. But yeah, anyway, super chat, okay. Go for it, brother.
I can help you out, whoever that is, if you want to DM me. I'm user with the Y, username with the Y. Hit me up.
Thanks, brother.
Thank you, I appreciate that. Sorry, guys.
Somebody also had a question after these super chats, so you guys know.
Okay. My apologies. Let me just get it out of the way. Mike Wegener, $5. Hey, friends. Great CA and support. We took some profit at 0.695. Hodl. Rest till we hit the moon. Please give a big woot woot to my wife, Brenda. Much wow. That's what's up. Woo woo! Woo woo! Woo! Brenda! Woo woo! Okay, we got it. All right. Thank you for the support, Mike. That was a good one. Okay, next one is Nick Vickers, $4.99. Adam, have you ever thought about making some training videos on YouTube? That would be amazing. Adam, it's your show, bro.
Yeah, I've definitely thought about it, but I feel like I'm one of those people who are much better at talking to somebody, like live and interacting with you and, trying to help you out versus
Sorry to cut you, Adam. Elon Musk just tweeted, he said, Cybertruck prototype in New York this weekend.
Ooh, he's so distracting.
Come back with that. What he said?
No,
Talks about the Cybertruck.
Oh, the Cybertruck. Right. That's I didn't catch. I caught New York, but I didn't catch the last part you said.
This weekend.
I mean, it makes sense. He's in New York this weekend, right?
I thought he lost his butt with the Cybertruck. He said he lost his butt.
So when you guys get done, I'd like to throw in some few thoughts.
Done saying absolutely nothing. You mean?
Please, yeah.
I know there was
Easy Dodge Super Chat.
User, Don, and Rookie, please give the floor to Gail to talk. Thank you.
So basically, I do see a redraw and make a limit order purchase at like 0.68 to the 0.67 level is possible. Us retracing back down to that level as a test bed, and then again the same time last night, Mr. Bounty and I at the 2 a.m. Eastern about the 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Pisket was here. There was a 10-cent push up with a slight hold and then a fallback. So there was a good chance to scalp. If you were here at like 1:30 in the morning Eastern Standard Time, gotten on a really nice 10-cent scalp. So that's what I want you guys to be thinking about, because there's that pattern that's holding.
Sorry about the reception. It's not my fault this time. Thanks God.
Thank you.
Hi, Dice in here. I'm a new person here, and I was just going on what he was saying. In evenings, EST, 10 p.m. onwards. Did someone say earlier today that it tends to be active between 2 a.m.?
Well, if you I see like at about 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, there's a little small spike. Then we have a slippage, and then we go. It's kind of stagnant or a sideways slide. I mean, there's some like
oh boy,
maybe 1 cent scalps that you can get in on between like midnight and 2 a.m. and then usually about 2 a.m., which is about noon Tokyo time. Right around noon Tokyo time, there's usually a little spike that goes on. It's okay. Like that. It's like the Japanese like to go buy Doge as they're eating their noodles at lunchtime.
Sounds Japanese. Hey, thank you so much for the information, and thanks to everyone for your information. This is great. Thanks.
Is there anybody? Bannon? Maybe tell. That's like what's happening.
I'm sorry. Chat real quick. Easy. Sold a $3,000 $0.70 and bought back in at 0.67. Thank you guys. Thank you for your support, DZ. And I believe that's it. Thank you.
Big, there's more.
We are approaching 70 cents again.
Yeah, we had a guy in here a few days ago saying 2 a.m. is kind of when they get off of work.
Well, they have a lunch break for the Tokyo hits at noon. So like between their noon and their 1 o'clock is when that spike happens usually. Little sideways slide action, but no floor is. That's okay.
Oh, that's what I thought. Actually, kind of proud of myself right now.
You're a
So-
genius.
Yeah, you called that. I agreed with you. I figured you that we would have some sideways action around this time.
I'm just like, you know, those times when you're like, you called it and you're never right, and that time you call it and you're right, you know, you're just like, oh my God, I was right. That's right now.
Not to toot my own horn, but that was me last night.
Yeah, those super chat from Jonathan 199. Gil just said it was going to 66 cents. What happened? I'll be right back, guys. Some chat.
Look, I watched this stuff for like 2 hours in a 2-hour time slot. I'm watching, 2 to 3 hour time slot. You guys want this like instantaneous thing. It doesn't happen that way. It does not.
I wanted to.
Well,
Gil, it is going to go to 66 cents. Like,
I
what's
want
the time frame,
$5.
Jonathan? When do you think it's going to go there? It's going to go there. When do you want it?
Gil, seriously, this is unacceptable. I mean, if you're gonna promise us 66 cents, you just gotta deliver, right? And
Right?
We're gonna need
Seriously, man, what are you even doing right
the
now?
next 10 minutes, or else I'm gonna have to.
Stop eating.
You're killing my average here. Stop eating my smoked chicken and pita chips over here and hook you guys up with the 66 cents. I'm too busy with
YouTube, I am not Megan.
I like chicken.
Sorry, Gil.
Is someone guaranteed 6? You and Megan sound the same, except Megan sounds.
Can I talk with the manager of Doge?
I have to whisper this because my kids are right here. Megan
I'm
sounds
guaranteeing
more
a range of 684 to 688.
Yes, Chad. If it does pull back, that's what I was looking. But that's if it pulls back.
Hey, you guys could see a spike to 7.0 right here.
684 to 688 is the range.
The hell is that noise?
That's my alarm sense.
You calm down. You're all dying on this mountain. No, you're not. Oh my gosh.
It looks like Doge is retesting another resistance.
The money alarm.
Like I said, we could see a little spike to 0.70 here. Could see it. Could. Notice the word could. That will.
You're lighting the second rocket on the 1 minute. We're about ready to light the first rocket on the 2.
There you go, yeah.
TradingView says, buy.
Hold on.
Yeah, it does.
Waiting for this confirmation on this 5-minute, 15-minute chart.
Chad bought a 6.
5 minute doesn't really say 5 by 5.
Chad bought
Yes,
a
it does.
6.
TradingView technical analyst says on the 1 minute buy, on the 5 minute buy, strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, on the 15-minute neutral buy, strong buy, and on the 1 hour buy, strong buy. That's what trading
Well, our
is.
5 minutes disagree, but that's okay.
The last 5 minutes just say sell the bags that you had when you were at the top.
Just hold until to $20. That's all.
Looks like we've broken some resistance, and there's like a breakout happening, if you ask me.
I got a sky coming at 72, so.
Whales told me they're pumping this to
You to buy on the way down.
$20. The whales told me they're pumping this to $20. The whales, the big whales.
The whales, the humpbacks.
Is this
Yeah.
Lex?
Shamu?
Is this Lex?
Here we go.
Okay.
The
3 more minutes before we close out that 15-minute candle.
The only whale told me, or that from the commercial.
Jake.
Do you have a crystal ball? They stole it from me. I just got it back.
Yeah. Yeah, tell them to watch it. Tell them to watch it.
Yeah, you guys, you watch this buy wall, big buy wall.
Yes.
Now listen to this, man. I'm telling you. I listen to. I mean, I like I said, I do this for a living, but I still listen.
I'm over that, guys.
Just a quick cut in.
Yeah,
we got three. We got 3 missed super chats.
We'll get to super chats.
Yeah, let's do that.
Super chat.
We got volume, you know. Got stuff.
Yeah, I didn't know you did this for a living. You're Cajun trader, right?
Yes, sir.
That's pretty cool.
Where's the super chat?
Yeah, super chats, guys.
But only
so super chat from Adam Addison, $5. Whoever won 3 5 charts would be great if you could keep us in the loop. Not looking for financial advice, just looking for an adventure.
Okay,
Discord.
Agent trader got you.
Profits is 689.
So next one is a $5 super chat from the trainer. Did you pay taxes even if you don't take out the capital gains from your Robinhood?
Yes.
Not sure yet. I'm still looking into
Put
that.
it back into crypto.
Just don't pay taxes.
We're all gonna find out.
Yeah, I can see that.
You're gonna have to pay taxes on every trade you make.
Just so you put IRS come together.
Eventually. So you're telling me if I buy a house and my house goes up in value and I sell it and I buy another house, that profit, that capital gains is gonna get taxed? No.
Within the first
There's
year,
rules
yes.
to this stuff. We won't. You take your capital gains and put it into your next, you do not get taxed on it.
Okay, last
Which
one.
state are you in, Gail? I mean, sorry, Chad.
It doesn't matter
Super
what
chat.
state you're in.
It does matter. It totally matters.
It might matter, but yeah, in certain states you don't get taxed. It doesn't matter if it's a year or 2 years or 10 years.
Cool.
Unless
IRS. Fuck the IRS and continue on your life.
Okay, next
So super chat was War the Lord, $5. A crew FOMO check. Man down. I got fat 8K Dodge at 72 cents. Send an Uber, please.
Man down.
You'll
be fine.
Pimp in distress.
I know, that's
Man
the
down
stress
right
for real. Pimp in distress.
Don't worry, it's going to be $20.
Just call
They'll come get you. They'll come get you about 15 now.
No more FOMO. I like that.
1-800-NO-MO-FOMO, and we will answer your call. Talk you off the ledge. Do not sell. Do not sell.
So if I missed any of those, I apologize. I was trying to keep up with them as fast as I could, but my apologies if I missed some.
Don't you guys know all charts form W's?
Yeah.
That's going on.
Oh,
Yeah,
Joel.
W's to the win.
Yes, sir.
So I just woke up and I was limit sells to kind of sell some off as I was in sleep. My last one was at 0.69 and now I'm out of coins. I'm just wondering if I should jump back in or not.
Not right now.
I know. I'm really bad. I've had
Not at this minute.
It messed me up yesterday.
I know you just woke up. Open your chart.
5 hours ago.
Open your chart. I know you just woke up. Open your chart and tell us what you see.
Open your chart, get a cup of coffee.
Yep, brush your teeth because we don't want to smell your morning breath.
I do need to brush my teeth. You're right.
Tell us what you see.
Make some eggs.
No, I'm really new at this. I see. I don't know. I was thinking about maybe getting back in at like. I heard you guys talking 6, 7, but
first of all, what's the price? What's the price currently? What's the price?
68, 7.
That was 6.
No, you guys ain't supposed to. You guys ain't supposed to call. You're supposed to let him call out. It's a game that's being played to test knowledge base.
I mean, you just told not to buy. So
gotcha.
We're teaching. We're teaching. Sir, what's the price that you see?
Mine on Robinhood.
Okay, yeah, that's actually exactly what I see on Kraken. So, all right, which chart are you on? What time frame?
I am new. I don't have a chart right now. My computer blew up the other day. And,
okay, so you don't have a computer. Do you have a phone?
Yeah.
And I'm definitely not trying to put you on the spot. The phone view. It's a great app on the phone. do it. It's so good. And check it out.
Yep,
Check out
I
the
second
chart.
that.
Check out the 50-minute. Check out the 30-minute. Check out the 5-minute. Switch between those and see what you see, and then get with us and ask questions. But yeah, there's some good action, definitely.
You got a little bit of time.
You definitely have some time, some sideways action right now.
Yeah, relax.
Yeah, that's why we were saying, like, get a cup of coffee, brush your teeth, wake up. This is
You have time to floss.
Yeah.
And just for YouTube, they were helping him out by telling him to chill a little bit. So just wanted to put that out there.
Yeah, no, I think I needed that because what was it, like 5-6 hours ago when it spiked, I FOMO'd a bit. Yeah, I needed that. It worked out. It kind of worked out, but
it's only a crime if you don't share it with all of us.
I would wait for confirmation here because it's starting to look like a descending triangle.
I would have loved to share it with you guys, but my fiance was sleeping right next to me. I wake her up.
Adam, are you
I
there?
didn't want to hear her say that.
Do you see a descending triangle?
I must tell y'all that I got some problems related to this whole
That descending triangle
YouTube channel, Discord.
It broke out on
We could
top of mine.
potentially be pulling back to kind of validate it, or we're just continuing to make lower highs here.
It looks to me like a breakout of that we.
Right. I mean, it is outside of that wedge. So again, if this is going to be considered breaking out of the wedge, then we need to kind of pull back and assume it would come back and validate it, or wick down to that 50, and then continue its its move up. Unless again we're just making lower highs here, and we're going to be continuing to, because you can see this low right here was it was higher than the wick. So it's technically a higher low than than the previous dip. So it's more of a, I guess it's more of a wedge or a symmetrical triangle. Not really too symmetrical, but not as flat top as.
Hey Adam, did you get your YouTube opened up yet? Because I can't see anything.
Dude, are you okay?
Yeah.
Sounds like you're about to.
Yeah, Adam, I was thinking for a little pullback too, and then but.
Yeah, again, if this is the kind of like the small breakout out of this, out of the bull flag pattern that we've been seeing, then I wouldn't, I wouldn't hesitate to see it.
I'm such a crap, bro. That's all. I'm sorry.
Hey, Adam, what was the name of that app again?
Which app?
Trading View.
Trading View.
Real quick, got a $5 super chat. Carlos Castellana. Watch John Wick 2. The Matrix guy uses crypto. Fate loves irony.
I had a confession, guys.
Hello.
What happened?
I'm holding a bag, negative 7 on Doge and negative 11 on ETC. So
7 racks?
7 cents on Doge?
7 racks and 11 racks, sir. Yeet.
You see on Robin Hood, like Elon Musk, we'll talk about that on SNL.
Oh, wow.
I feel your pain, brother.
Yeah, wow. Hey, let me.
My phone died earlier, right at 70.
Let me tell you one thing. Yesterday, when we were going down, I did the same mistake. I don't know why I did this twice in a row. I'm better than that. But I was down like 20 stacks. And I cut my losses. Like that's a lot to cut for me. And I was able to bring it back up and then some with that pump that we had overnight. So it ain't no big thing.
Can I get some definitions between stacks and racks? Like, what are the zeros?
Thank you.
If you don't mind, some of us just don't have all the lingo.
Well,
Same thing. A stack is a rack is the same thing.
Is it 100 or 1,000?
So $20,000.
$1,000.
Damn, buddy.
Same thing.
I mean, $1,000 I can try for you, bro. Like seriously.
Nah, it's all good, man. Honestly, I started. Nah, I'm good, man.
You don't lose nothing, right? You don't lose nothing to yourself.
True. Yo, pay attention, watch what's
Yeah.
happening.
I started in February 25th to be exact. I lost my job. I had savings that I had for 7 years. I think I was like at 49K, and I've been using that, and I was able to get up to 200K. So honestly, guys, if you know what you're doing, if you learn, and you never know enough, you're always learning. So
on some 100K plus profit, boys. Let's get some claps in here, boys. Let's get it. Congratulations, my brother.
So, sir, do you have any tips on how not to lose 20 racks?
You know what? Sometimes it's a calculated move, like it was last night. But
were you doing anything
for
crazy,
me,
like shorting or leverage or
no,
anything like
no, hell no. No, I'm good, man. I'm too much of a noob.
So you're gonna stay put, right? You're not gonna take that loss.
Right now on this current one, I'm staying put. Yesterday, I felt like it was a calculated move. I felt like we hit the bottom, so I sold it a little higher because I was like, I'm good. I'm not trying to lose more. I felt like we hit the bottom. I bought in like a bit above it, and it worked out. It was partially luck because we didn't know where the bottom was. You saw, we kept waiting for it. It was like a little under 20, like 15, let's say. So yeah, I'm holding because we're so close to the catalyst. I have a strong feeling ETC is gonna while we wait for Doge, and then they're gonna switch off. So I should be good.
So speaking of ETC is gonna build after
long candle.
Just keep that in mind when you're.
Oh yeah, that's fine with me. Whichever one comes first, but I'm a let them take turns and take my end my trades when the time comes.
Yeah, for sure. Because I was looking at dual charts with ETC and Doge earlier. They are literally a mirror image for the last 48 hours. It's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have a bigger bag in ETC or Doge?
ETC, bigger bag in ETC. It's 11K right now. And keep in mind, we've come up, but I got all the way down to like, man, I don't even know, but definitely more than what it did now.
Why did ETC pop up the way it did so like to 170 so rapid?
ETC is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right now. That's a cool price.
Whoa.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You
Screenshot
say?
that, Eric.
123.456. Now it's 123.419.
Man, that was a missed opportunity.
That's pretty.
We could have bought in right there.
Real quick, guys, $2 super chat from Augustine Lara. I'm ready to clap some cheeks when Doge goes to $1.
Okay.
Man, that's 688. Help me out, man.
Whose cheeks you clapping?
Man, that's good.
Once again, YouTube, I am not Megan. I am Goof Off Goose.
Anybody buying in? Anybody buying in right now?
Are they all saying you're Megan?
Looking at this candle here,
Dude,
it
all
looks
day,
like we've
every
had 3, 4
Megan
candles in a row.
So,
Hey, we
I'm
got
gonna step away for a quick second, guys, if somebody wants to watch the super chats for me.
We all know this is going to go up to $1. Why not buying now?
We're all on sidelines right now.
Cardano looks good, man. Right now, it's at the top of a little cycle.
Here we go.
Get some momentum.
See some rockets.
It's rock on the chat, man.
Megan, they like your laugh.
It must be the same. It must be. Geez, who is that talking? Your mic is like so like. It sounds like you're like talking inside a giant like. I don't even know, like a giant
toilet.
Yeah, something. Not giant like toilet, but like you're inside like a big ass like vacuum room.
It's like Tidy Bowl Man. Hey, let me out of here. What should I buy in?
What the hell?
Tidy Bowl Man.
It's tech, I got
69 for the Bitcoin.
Wayne Lambo.
Oh, rockets for Megan.
Dude, why does Megan got some simps in the chat right now?
Megan. I'm not Megan, but she can see you though. So.
Now I hear Megan right now though.
Yeah, she's in here.
Oh, okay. Hey, Megan. Yeah. So she's around, so that's why people are talking to her.
Yeah, they love you.
You do sound similar.
Nah.
But I was telling Goose that you just sound a little more. I don't know. Like maybe you've had a split for 2 more than Goose.
Smoke weed every day.
I actually.
She's the chill version of me. I'm the Adderall caffeine version of Megan.
Just like that, yeah.
Goose, wasn't it you that said that you were like popping Addies or something?
No, I haven't had Addies.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Like I take them every morning. That's prescribed.
Okay.
If you have a prescription, that's not
my bad. Yeah, big difference. Big difference.
Big difference.
For 25 years.
I take my Addies and then 420.
You know, I have a phone sex company. Honestly speaking, I don't want to get into it. And Megan, you would really make a lot of money. That's what I'm saying.
Both your girls would. You both have incredible voices.
Damn, I don't even know how I would take that.
A what company?
I don't know. As a business opportunity.
Y'all ready for 7? Oh.
What company did you say just now?
Take that
to a dating site.
At the top.
Yo, Santiago on here for me, please.
Are y'all ready for 7-0?
Sure.
I'm ready.
Coming.
Oh, thank you, Gil, for that good
I can
news.
call it the super chat real quick. Austin Morton says we need a Doge party with all these profits. Holla.
I'm ready for 9-0.
Let's go to Oregon, where the creators of Doge are from.
You guys can see the sales all though?
No,
Mars.
Cabo, Gil.
Yeah, Oregon represent.
I will throw the party myself.
No, let's go to Cabo.
Let's do that too.
I'm already there.
All right.
We can just have it in KC so I don't have to leave my home.
Well, we could do one there too. Maybe we just do a Doge party tour.
Right?
Get under the Doge bus.
That's
We can start in
all around the world.
Carolina, we're going to Tennessee, we're going to Alabama, then we're going to KC, we're going to Texas.
No worry about Washington.
We get the Doge bus. And all pile in.
Yeah.
Get like a tour bus.
So Doge goes to $4,000, like those.
Going on here, something happened.
How about some Doge TA?
Yep, let's go.
Y'all ready?
Ooh, we're about to.
Y'all ready for this?
Yeah, go ahead, yeah.
We're ready. We are.
Are we getting rowdy in here, guys? We're getting a little hype on.
Get ready. Ready.
Rock
Stand
in the chat, guys.
Yeah. Let's
Come on, man. Rock it. Hey, let's go.
Hit that powder.
This is not financial advice, but everyone go hit that buy button.
Sorry, my screen. My bad.
Hey, can you guys hear
My
me?
bad about my screen. Sorry.
Oh,
Doodle.
I just got here. Why are you saying? hit the buy button?
Sorry, I'm touching things.
Hey, sometimes you
Jeez Louise.
just a hit.
Sometimes you
Crap,
like,
touching stuff. Sorry, guys.
What is that button for? Hitting.
crypto back
Oh
in
my
the chat.
goodness,
He'll explain to you it's the buy button every 45 minutes.
My Kraken keeps crashing.
No.
Crashing Kraken. So basically, the Bulls have managed to defeat at 67 and take it all the way up to 70 again, and they are in control again. We might see a tiny pullback around the end of 67, maybe at 698 exactly. Just confirm that this is an uptrend continuing, and we are eyeing the 73 mark again. Let's see how this plays off.
Love you, Biscuit.
Thank you, Biscuit.
Thank you, Biscuit.
The first bullish thing I've heard Biscuit say in the past like 3 days.
Ever.
Y'all ain't ready, are ya?
No, it's not about like it's about what I see on my chart. I'm gonna spit it out. Sometimes I'm right, sometimes I'm wrong.
Oh, I was just saying, that's a good thing though.
He's not gonna sugar it.
You guys, you only like, you only guys like, you guys like bulls only. You want people yelling numbers. It's going up.
I'm just pointing out that it's a good thing that you finally said something bullish about, and that means it's definitely bullish.
I'm just
Stop posting, bub. We'll go in a little bit. Hold on.
If not, we can just buy him.
This is last name, Jake.
Got beat by Doge.
Buy it.
Hello,
Stop
guys.
messing around, please.
I'm back.
Oh, is this Lex?
No, I'm not back.
Every accent, we're like, is this Lex? Everybody misses him secretly.
I just wanted to listen to Lex talk about it.
I'm sorry.
Watch out with that.
Who's talking right now? Who's got?
Background noise, buddy, no.
Yeah, I just wanted to listen to Lex. Okay, somebody's.
No, semi shamak.
It's tech.
Yeah, wait. Is it tech? Oh, tech is new. Wait. I don't think it's tech. I think it's Shimmy. Yeah.
It's tech.
No.
Wait,
got a few up in mind.
It's not Shimmy.
Yeah.
I muted Shimmy. It's not him.
I have questions. Can I ask?
I just muted Tech. I don't hear him anymore, so I think it was Tech.
Yeah, it's probably tech because he's new, yeah? Maybe.
Tripping Smurf.
What's up, Tim?
Yeah.
I'm Chillport.
Guys, I have questions. Can I ask?
Lex?
Yeah,
No,
I
I'm
want
not
Lex.
mad.
I want Lex to come talk about how he's gonna dump on us at 2 in the morning.
I want to see the crystal ball chart. Hang on.
Guys, Matt Lex has been trying to ask a question.
I'm not Lex.
It's not a crystal ball. It's not a crystal ball. It's a diamond ball.
I'm just trying. Okay, I'm not looking screen space. Like since it was 50 cents, 4 cents, I sold and got out of screens, and then I'm back now, and I'm looking screens and shark, way shark, and I'm looking for an entry point.
Hey, not Lex. Before they give you that, I got 143,000 Doge that I bought around that price. So almost a thing. I mean, it's on each individual.
My shit hella buffering, bro. Hold on.
It went all the way to 70.
We're about to pass the 70 cents mark, and my shit's on a buffer. Watch out, boy. I gotta take him for a walk, too, boy. Chill. Wait a second, dude. Just chill.
When I did my buy-in,
Do what I do right quick. Why?
it had gone back down, and I at 68, and you had said something about 72.
Are we done buffering for a moment?
It said 72. Also, it said 72 like to secure the bank. 72 if you want to secure 75.25. 75.25 was like gonna be the max right there.
On Binance, the highest was 73.86 US. Binance US.
Yeah.
73 points.
Highest I saw was like 73.3 or something like that.
Go chill out.
73.9 on crack.
Watch out.
On the money. On the money.
No, he did.
Robinhood hit 756.
Hey, you didn't knew Elon Musk?
Nah, he didn't come and hit it on the money. He came in and was like, it's going up right now, and then hit.
Honestly, I gave you guys like 5 minutes.
Okay, I think we're adjusted now. I
think
so. I think we're cool. Adjusted. Let's see.
A minute, 30 seconds notice.
Okay, well, alright, do I really get alright? But I didn't
also,
Whale?
Also, I don't think he told anybody to buy. He said don't sell. So.
Yeah. I wouldn't tell anybody to buy it that high. That would be dumb.
Yeah, but come on, guys. I think one person for something zero in action, so.
I'm not blaming anybody for anything.
Yeah.
He's on the money. Like, I'm still right where I'm at, and I'm happy.
We're giving shit, which is another form of just flattery.
Yeah, exactly, man.
Oh, no,
People are
you're
saying
misunderstanding.
Yeah,
We're just giving him props, bro.
Here, guys, on Robinhood, it hit me. And I'm not.
I don't like seven items, honestly. I don't like it.
Called it.
I don't like it.
Wow.
Called it.
Hey, what would be the support on Doge if it goes back down?
Relax your
What would be
brain.
the next support?
All right.
Yeah, don't take that.
Hopefully everything will stay on.
According to everyone here, Doge only goes up.